All right, Kathleen, I'm here. I'm listening. Hey, Sonia, sorry, I'm just eating lunch. Have you had anything to eat yet? A bonus tip that I learned is eating healthy is a very important part of the YouTube journey in order to continue to stay strong, to move forward. Hey, Sonia, I was just thinking about, for a little while here, all the things that I've learned on YouTube over this past year after coming back from taking a break. All right, Kathleen, I'm here. I'm listening. Share with me what you've learned. All right, so first lesson is a beautiful video does not mean that you'll get lots of clicks. So just because you spend lots of hours doing B-roll, great editing, great commentary, great topics and everything, doesn't guarantee clicks, because you need the right title and the right thumbnail to grab people's attention. Actually, the thumbnail first, title second. So basically what you're saying, Kathleen, so that I'm understanding you correctly, is it's not just about making your video pretty, but it's making the first glimpse of it, people wanting to click on it to actually watch it, right? So the second rule is it's okay to be myself. It's better to grow slowly with the right people than quickly with the wrong audience, right? So authenticity over everything, hey? Exactly, which brings me to lesson number 3, community. Supporting each other. YouTube or friendship is back and forth. It's not just take, but it's also give. So supporting your community, your friends, your other YouTubers out there, supporting each other and being there for each other. So what you're saying is YouTube community is like friendship, but on YouTube. Yes, exactly, just like friendship. So this brings me to lesson number 4. So lesson number 4 is YouTube is a marathon, not a race. For me, I have to go slower sometimes because of my flare-ups. I show up in any way that I can when I have a flare-up. It might be through posts, community posts, or live. And I've learned that it's okay to be me. If I'm fatigued, I still need to show up sometimes when I can. There's a balance there as well, because we have to take care of our health too. But show up as much as possible. Okay, so consistency really does pay off, eh? But showing up, consistently isn't impossible. I used to get sidetracked and distracted from it because I'll be watching everybody else and what they're doing and trying to do as many videos, as many lives, as many posts as what everybody else is doing, instead of being myself and finding my routine and my rhythm and what will work for me. So now I believe that's where I am. So another thing is, number 5, enjoy the process. YouTube is fun. If it's something you enjoy, it's fun. If you're going to keep going with it, have fun with it. Enjoy it. Enjoy learning to edit. Enjoy the B-rolls. Do YouTube the way you find it enjoyable, not the way others tell you to do it. So find what works for you. Enjoy the process. Enjoy what you do, and just have a blast. Thanks for joining me today. If this helped you, if you made it this far to the video, hit like, you're my people, hit subscribe so that you can have more content. Now, do I talk always about YouTube? No, I don't. But I figured this would be the perfect time to share what I'm learning on YouTube. As the last video I shared, I wanted to quit. The video before that, I had shared that I was sad and depressed about YouTube. So sometimes this is the process, but you know what? Let's keep working together. If you're enjoying this, even if you're frustrated a little bit, stick with it. Stick to it. Be authentic. Be yourself. Make sure those thumbnails are clickable along with the titles. And continue improving and growing in your YouTube channel and in being yourself. Take care. Love you lots. Remember, Kathleen's place is a safe place for everyone.